I'm at a new spot today. I was driving by this place and I thought it would be nice to stop here. You can probably hear it. It is a waterfall, and when I say waterfall, it's not very big, but I've never flown over water before. So it's also very icy, and I did not bring proper foot attire. This is nuts. I have no idea if the camera can hear me because this is so loud. But I have never flown anything like this. I'm very used to hearing my quad when it's flying around. There is an absolute ton of scraggle around here, so I'm freaking out. This is the only quad I brought, and really like the only working quad I have right now. It's my Tiny Hawk Freestyle with the orange. It's so good that I can't pass it up, but at the same time, I wish that I didn't find this spot, because now I'm gonna lose a quad probably. Thankfully, I have an absolute ton of packs, so I won't run into the last pack problem, hopefully. There's definitely no way I'm getting in that cold water if I do lose the quad, so this should be fun.
Nope.
Well, rest in peace, Tiny Hawk. You will be missed. You're now quite deep underwater. That's unfortunate. Thank you very much for watching. I think I just hit like 7 subscribers or something, so thank you for all those people that subbed. Yeah, this is pretty nuts, and it's only gonna get worse from here.